you know, this light coats. Just got to make sure everything looks really good. Oh my god. I think I got it. I think I got it in my eyes, guys. I think I got it in my eyes.
You win. Perfect.
Hi there. Face here. Nick Jr. Now, back to the show.
I wonder how many videos I've started at this gas pump. The gas prices here in California are getting a little pricey, but there's nowhere near San Diego. The last time I was in San Diego was probably like a month ago, and it was literally like $4.99 for premium. Yeah, that's a little intense, but anyways, guys, what's cracking, guys? How you guys doing today? It's beautiful here in California, and there's not a cloud in the sky. This is one of those times where you don't know what to talk about, so you start with the weather, right? Anyways, I'm headed to the shop today. It's another day. Hope you guys enjoyed the recap. Next one is recap number 50, which is insane. That's a long time I've been doing this, which is awesome. So if you're new to the channel, every Monday night, 8 o'clock, I kind of recap the week. So welcome to all the new people. I'm about to drive my car to the shop. Hopefully today I can just get some engine bay cleaning time, because it's real dirty in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this gas station segment, and then we'll get on our way. Alright guys, what's cracking? What's going on here? Alright guys, what's cracking? So I'm out here, it's in the daylight. It's a little later in the day now, but I thought I'd show you the engine bay in the daylight so we can kind of get a good look at where we're sitting. But I really, honestly, I do not like this car without an engine, mainly because every time I see it without an engine, it takes me back, and then I get like really PTSD because like I don't want it down. So I am making it the focus to get this back together as fast as possible, but freshen it up a bit, you know what I'm saying? And so because I'm saying I want to freshen it up a bit, I need to go to the store, get some Purple Power, get some rags. But I think we have rags, but definitely just need some Purple Power just to spray it down, give it some elbow grease. I'll hit it with a pressure washer, but I don't want to make a mess on the concrete. So I think my first objective right now is to just give it a good hand scrub as much as possible. That way when I hit it with the pressure washer, I don't leave like giant residue everywhere. I do want to be courteous to the shop and where I'm living, or be courteous to the shop and where we're at and stuff. I don't want to just like leave giant grease marks everywhere. So I'll probably lay down a tarp and some cardboard and then go ahead and shoot it. So that way the cardboard can kind of act like a sponge to all the degreaser and stuff like that. But with that said, let's go get some Purple Power or some other thing to clean. Yeah boy, we got this store up the street. So just gonna hopefully find some Purple Power or some shit. Da da da. Cool. I know we got a bunch of simple green at the shop, but maybe I'd look at this super clean right here. Dissolves grease super fast, or super easy. All right, we're gonna go with this. For real, guys, this is how you know that this stuff is gonna be good. When you walk to the back of the store and they have it in like 5-gallon jugs. That's how you know. Awesome.
You're all set.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, how's it going?
Too. Alright, so I got everything I needed. I got this super clean. I think this is just Purple Power. I don't know if they rebranded it, or this is just Allied's Purple Power, I guess. I haven't been to O'Reilly's in a hot minute, and usually they got the Purple Power, but this looks like exactly the same shit, just purple. So, I mean, come on. All right, guys, much darker now, as you guys can tell, but we gotta keep going here. So I'm just giving it, you know, this light coats. Just gotta make sure everything looks really good. Oh my god. I think I got it. I think I got it in my eyes, guys. I think I got it in my eyes. Okay, we're back. Oh, Jesus. This is never working out for me. I don't know why, but I literally thought, like, in my head, you know when you're doing stuff and you're like an idiot? You know what I mean? Like if you're watching a video and there's someone in the way, you kind of move your head like you're going to be able to see behind them, and you're just like, that was dumb. But yeah, I'm like spraying the engine bay, and I'm just like, yeah, the closer I get everything, the stronger it's gonna, just bad idea. And back to spraying. All right, so we got this crap here. This is bad too. This is bad too. Just giving everything an overall good spray, and then we're just gonna hit it with a brush, and then eventually, you know how it goes, guys. We're just gonna spray it with the high pressure. But like I said, look at the mess it's already made just on the cardboard. So I just want to make sure that when I actually spray it with the high pressure, I don't just destroy the concrete. Guys, not a world of difference, but we can see this is mildly satisfying because here's, you know, a nice clean paper towel, and then this is gonna get better, although this is kind of gross. Yeah, it's this is kind of useless. I'm definitely just gonna need to use the power washer. That's just the fastest way to get through this. But yeah, I basically wanted to do kind of a light coat, a light wipe, so that when I bring it inside and I actually want to clean it, it's not terribly messed up. I know I've said that a few times already, but I mean, if you guys can tell right now, like, this is disgusting. And our floor is like, you know, it's sealed, so it can be easy to clean, but then this would just make a giant mess. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going on this. Alright guys, what is this? Alright guys, I'm probably gonna call it for tonight because we're packing everything in. But yeah, mission successful. I'm not gonna probably cut this video now. I'll probably add to it. I'm not really signing off. Let's just, anyways, so here we go. Corner a little better that corner a lot better. Subframe much better. Yeah, but progress is progress. So basically what I'm trying to do, like I said, for 400 times already this video, I'll say it one more time. Just trying to spray off everything in the engine bay, so when I do hit it with the pressure washer, I don't completely decimate our concrete outside. Because if you've looked at this cardboard and like the 3 rags I've used to actually clean off the goo, which is very interesting because like none of my axles are broken, my motor like just doesn't leak, but there's just caked grease everywhere. So I don't actually know where it came from, but it's probably just for like, you know, 6-7 years of just driving the car, and then just it's just bad, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I've been cracking along with this for quite some time now, just kind of doing as much as I can do right now. So let's give you a little rundown of where I'm at. So we got the box off. Obviously we got the box off here. Pulled this off, dropped it. I tried to pull this out, but obviously it goes all the way into the ECU, but then there's like one part that goes all the way up into the blower, and I don't really want to pull the blower out right now, so I'm just kind of leaving that as it is. And then as of now, I'm going to start kind of pulling off this clutch line all the way out to the end, because I am going to do an S2000 clutch line, and then I'm going to run JB Tune's tucked clutch line there, and then I got the fuel tuck line coming soon too, so gonna eliminate the fuel situation there. Now what I need to work on is figure out how I want to route the brakes, or how I can do that, so I'm kind of figuring that out right now. I do kind of want to paint the bay or freshen it up, so I do want to pull the hard lines out enough to do that, and I wanted to pull the harness, but the harness looks like it's going to be a pain, at least on this side, because I can't figure out how maybe the previous owner really long ago has half the harness already in the fender. So that's what I'm really trying to deal with currently. So randomly this was leaking a bunch of fluid, and I found a bolt. I don't even remember where this came from, but it stopped it from leaking. Anyways guys, some progress is progress tonight. I was actually just joking with Travis, and I was just like, I tell myself that you know, I clock out and then I'm like, cool, as long as I get an hour or 2 of work in a night, at least I'm like progressing in some way. And I literally don't want this to become a forever project, because like I said, car's been down for a while. I drove it for a bit, and now that it doesn't have an engine again, I'm getting like PTSD, like no, this car has to run again. But I do want to bring it back as best as possible. So I'm trying my hardest to figure out how I want to run things and not just destroy everything on the way out. So where we are now, harness is still dangling there. I'll work on that next, because I do have to work on the actual engine harness, so I'll worry about then. I have this clutch line half out, and then from there over is still in there, but literally I just got to take this clip off and I can pull that out. I will leave the master cylinder in there because I haven't disconnected it from the pedal, and then this harness, and then next step is essentially taking that out. I might brake tuck. I'm thinking about that. I might ask for some help for some brake tucking action, because I do want to do it, but if I don't ask for help, this will turn into a giant mess. So I'd rather ask for help and learn on this one, because then I can do it again in the future, right? So once that is done, well, not the brake tuck, but once I have everything else out, I can get the high pressure hose, spray the hell out of the engine bay, and then we can kind of prep it to move forward from there. But not to just keep rambling, Some progress, not to just keep rambling, but probably going to call it here. Next video you see, hopefully, I am just kind of cleaning up the harnesses and stuff and more work here. I don't know, guys. Every video is going to have a little bit of everything because I'm kind of scattered, but I want to touch everything as much as possible so that I don't lose momentum and everything kind of gets done in a timely fashion. But with that said, thanks for all the love on the build, guys. I'm trying to progress this as fast as I can. If you guys want to see more like detailed stuff that I'm doing, like I said, I'm not great at explaining what I'm doing, but I can at least give you better angles and stuff like that. So if you're interested in stuff like that, let me know. I've just kind of been running at this as much as possible because I figured like, all right, cool. If I just get stuff done, we're both probably pretty happy with progress versus like cool angles. But I'll be getting some angles. You know, I still want to make some awesome videos for you guys. But with that said, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, let me know what dreams you got for the Del Sol because I have plenty of my own, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.